Welcome to our channel. Top 10 Best PC Cases in 2021. Top 1. Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB Mid-Tower ATX PC Case, White, CC-9011205WW. Combining stylish tempered glass, customizable RGB lighting, innovative cable management and concentrated airflow, choose the 4000X RGB for a unique high-performance PC. Show off your components and RGB lighting with tempered glass side and front panels, built with dedicated front ventilation channels for ample airflow. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to build an immaculate, professional-looking system with major cables neatly routed through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 Corsair 120mm air guide RGB fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs for brilliant customizable lighting. Fully control and synchronize the RGB lighting for up to 6 fans with the included iCUE lighting node core and Corsair iCUE software. Top 2. Thermaltake Level 20 EATX Full Tower Gaming Computer PC Case with 3 Riing plus 140mm RGB fan plus 2 Lumi plus LED strips pre-installed CA1J9-00F9WNOO. Alexa, control fan LED strip lights or fan speed by talking to Alexa-enabled devices. Just say Alexa tell Thermaltake, Razer Chroma, Sync Level 20 Fan LED Strip RGB Lighting with Razer Chroma ecosystem available end of 2018, color your life. Include 3 Riing plus 140mm fans and 2 Lumi plus LED strips for colorful cooling, trio chamber design, separated into 3 chambers, PSU motherboard and storage LCS chambers, for optimal cooling performance. Clear view, 3 Hinges 4mm thick tempered glass swing door with steel-less smart lock design S durability and presents individual creation. Steel and aluminum dismountable modular design, freely build the system from ground up with removable aluminum panels, steel racks, brackets and mounting arrays. Premium I/O port, USB Type-C provides 10 GB per second of transmission speed with 4x, USB 3.0 ports and HD audio. Top 3. Corsair 7000D Airflow Full Tower ATX PC Case, Black. Build your legacy with the 7000D Airflow, a full tower case for your most ambitious PC builds, offering easy cable management, a spacious interior, and massive cooling potential with room for up to 3 simultaneous 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access into door and a roomy 30mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 3 Corsair 140mm air guide fans and PWM fan repeater, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A massive interior accommodates up to 12x 120mm or 7x 140mm cooling fans, and makes it possible to install multiple radiators including 3x simultaneous 360mm or 2x simultaneous 420mm for extreme cooling. Customizable side fan mounts allow you to side mount up to 4x 120mm fans or up to a 420mm radiator, opening up a new world of cooling options. Put the spotlight on your graphics card with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount on the PSU shroud, big enough for today's most powerful graphics cards. Top 4. NZXT Kraken Z63 280mm, AIO-RGB CPU liquid cooler, Air Pages 140mm radiator fans, 2 included, and H510 Elite, premium mid-tower ATX case PC gaming case, dual tempered glass panel, white black. Product 1, customize your battle station, with a bright, 2.36 inches LCD screen capable of displaying 24-bit color. You can now completely customize the look of your CPU cooler. Product 1, Stay in Control. CAM's elegant, user-friendly software makes you the master of your PC with simple-to-use, intuitive controls. You can manage your Kraken's performance and appearance with ease. Product 1, Incredible Performance. Featuring a chamfered intake and fluid dynamic bearings, they deliver silent operation, long-term reliability, and powerful cooling performance. Product 1, Simple Installation. With a fully programmable display, the pump can be rotated to fit the needs of your motherboard without affecting the direction of the logo or image. Product 2, More Modern. USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel makes it easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, and the latest peripherals to your PC. Product 2, Smart Device V2, includes 2 Hue 2 RGB lighting channels, and 3 fan channels that support 0 decibel modes for voltage-regulated or PWM fans. Product 2, Extraordinarily Beautiful. The clean, modern design, iconic cable management bar, and uninterrupted tempered glass panels all showcase your stunning build. Product 2, Powered by NZXT CAM. Use the intuitive NZXT CAM application to monitor and control your build, choosing from presets or custom controls for your RGB lighting and fans to create your dream PC. Top 5. ASUS TUF Gaming GT501 White Edition Mid-Tower Computer Case for up to EATX motherboards with 2x USB 3.1 front panel, smoke-tempered glass, steel construction, and 4 case fans. Designed to be noticed, metal front panel with custom TUF gaming spatter pattern, and 4mm thick, smoked, tempered glass side panel to showcase your build's internals. Mobile battle station, ergonomic, woven cotton carry handles enable easy and safe transport up to 30 kilograms. Efficient cooling, equipped with 3 120mm or sync RGB illuminated fans and one 140mm rear PWM fan, plus up to 7 fan mounting points for targeted airflow. Space reserved for both front and top-mounted 360mm water cooling radiators plus a 140mm radiator at the rear. Perfect for TUF gaming motherboards. Fan and cable placement optimized for TUF gaming gear, and ready for perfect cooling control via our Fan XPERT4 software. Top 6. Cooler Master MasterFrame 700 Custom Test Bench Open Air ATX PC Case, Panoramic Tempered Glass, Premium Variable Friction Hinges, Built-in VESA Mount. Premium Variable Friction Hinges. Heavy-duty hinges hold the side wings to the mid-frame and allow for smooth repositioning at any angle depending on the user's needs. Allen keys are included to adjust the tension of the hinges to make it easier to move or allow the side wings to hold heavier parts. This level of flexibility is a key factor for users creating extremely unique water cooling loops and setups. Open-air design. The open-air nature of the design provides unrestricted access to fresh air to all components in the system. The optional fan mounts allow to further guide the airflow path to a specific intake exhaust direction, thus preventing performance-robbing heat recirculation. Unmatched hardware support. For its size, MasterFrame 700 sports an unmatched level of hardware compatibility. It is designed to fit any component available, even oversized ones. Users can mount up to SSIEB motherboards, multiple power supplies and multiple radiators at the same time and still have room for triple slots GPUs and storage. Extreme water cooling support. Designed with water cooling in mind, MasterFrame 700 provides a flexible pump and reservoir mounting location and support for multiple triple fan radiators. Test bench mode. Thanks to its modular design, MasterFrame 700 can lay down horizontally and transform into an ultra-featured premium test bench. Cooling and power components are installed out of the way of the motherboard area for interference-free installation of components. Top 7. Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower ATX PC Case, Black. Built in full view with a 7000X RGB, showcasing your system behind 3 gorgeous tempered glass panels while making it easy to build and cool thanks to clever cable management and a spacious interior. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy access into the door and a roomy 30mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes 4 140mm Corsair sPRGB Elite PWM fans with 8 individually addressable RGB LEDs per fan, utilizing air guide technology to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Unincluded Corsair iCUE Commander Core XT controller, Corsair iCUE software, and PWM fan repeater enable smart RGB and fan speed control out of the box. A massive interior lets you fit up to 12x 120mm or 7x 140mm cooling fans, or install multiple radiators including 3x simultaneous 360mm or 2x simultaneous 420mm for extreme cooling. A motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts allows you to side mount up to 4x 120mm fans or up to a 420mm radiator, opening up a new world of cooling options. Put the spotlight on your graphics card with a 3-slot vertical GPU mount on the PSU shroud, big enough for today's most powerful graphics cards. Top 8. NZXT H710i, CAH710i-W1, ATX Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case, Front I/O USB Type-C port, Quick Release Tempered Glass Side Panel, Vertical GPU Mount, Integrated RGB Lighting, White-Black. New features, Front I/O USB Type-C port, Vertical GPU Mount, Tempered Glass Side Panel with Single Screw Installation, and Upgraded Smart Device V2. Smart Device V2 includes a faster microprocessor for NZXT CAM-powered control of 2 RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support either voltage-regulated or PWM fans. Vertical GPU mounting, show off your graphic card with a built-in mounting bracket for installing your GPU vertically. PCIe riser card not included. Enhanced cable management, our patented cable routing kit with pre-installed channels and straps makes wiring easy and intuitive. Specs, max GPU clearance, 413mm, Radiator support, front, 360mm, top, 360mm, rear, 140mm. Top 9. Vetru MESH6 Mid-Tower Computer Case Compact ATX PC Gaming Case 6 PCS RGB fans pre-installed with controller diamond-shaped mesh front and tempered glass side panel air and water cooling case. Unique panel design. The diamond-shaped mesh front panel and transparent tempered glass side panel make your case distinctive, and improve the airflow performance. 6 ARGB fans. Pre-installed 4 PCS 120mm ARGB fans in the front and 2 PCS fans in the rear, provide your case the excellent cooling, colorful lights and unlimited color transformation. Controller equipped? The controller can control 6 PCS pre-installed fans. With 5V ARGB interface, it can be connected to the motherboard to synchronize light effects. Superior cooling solution? The case supports up to 10 PCS fans at the same time. It also has room for up to 240mm per 280mm water cooler on the top and 120mm water cooler on the rear. Provide the best airflow and keep your case cooling all the time. Sufficient internal space? Compatible with ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX motherboard. Support max CPU height of 165mm and GPU length of 350mm. It can install 3 SSD drive and 2 HDD for your computer. Top 10. FSP Gaming Streaming Case E-ATX ATX Mini ITX, Dual System, Open Frame PC Computer with 2 tempered glass panels, Aluminum Case, ARGB Center Light Bar, CMT 710 Twins Gold. Dual chambers for dual water cooling system. Supports dual 360mm radiator, custom center compartment for better cable management, supports USB Type-C connectors, 2 tempered glass with aluminum frame, ARGB lighting effect control with popular motherboards. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.